Hi guys, welcome to another live trading video by Optionables. My name is Saket and today we will review the trades taken on 1st of June, which is a Tuesday. So today the market movement was very volatile. So Nifty initially opened up higher, came down quite a lot, again bounced back and consolidated. So even we had a zigzag shaped M2M today. So we started with a profit of 20,000, came down to a loss of 50,000 and later went all the way to 1.1 lakh profit. So it was a pretty wild journey, but thanks to adjustments today we were able to end in profits. So it is really important to know some basic adjustments, and if you are new to this channel, there is a video in our channel and there is also a link to that in the description. So please do watch the adjustment video because you will get a clear idea of what exactly we did today. So today was a day where we did lot of adjustments, to be honest, because of which a loss making day ended in green. So, and one more thing which I wanted to tell is regarding yesterday's video. So that is only the first part where we just analyzed the probability aspects and I just showed a bull call spread. We will be doing further analysis of the same and I will be coming out with the video in the weekend. So we will also try to analyze different aspects of same bull call spread, and I will also tell what exactly you can expect with the same. So many of you liked the first part and I'm pretty sure you guys will also like the second part as well. So I'll try coming out with that soon. So apart from that, hope you guys are liking the content on this channel. If there's anything you guys want us to improve, please put it in the comment section and we will adapt it right away. And apart from that, if you're liking the overall content on the channel, please don't forget to hit the like button as well. Thank you so much for joining and as well as supporting. So we'll quickly move on to the trade now and see what exactly happened. Thank you guys. Hi guys, welcome to this live trading session. First we will start off by entering the Excel. So we have to enter 31st May trade as well, which is yesterday's trade. So yesterday we made a profit of around 52,000 and we will assume the brokerage to be around 7,000. It was lesser than 7,000, but I will still add a conservative number. So today we made a profit of 1,16,000. So again I am going to put a 7,000 rupee brokerage. So you can see here we are moving closer towards the target. Our target was 7.5 lakh for the entire month, but within a matter of 6 to 7 days we have already reached half of our target. So which means once we reach our target, we will slowly push it up little more higher. So you can see overall target was 7.5 lakh, which is 3% of the total capital, that is 2.5 crore, and we have already achieved 1.58% and we have 1.42% to go. And you can see the major reason for us being in profit is we have cut down our losses small. So you can see there is no loss beyond 1 lakh. Whereas the profits, there are 3 times where we have made profits over 1 lakh, but we have made sure that we have not made a loss over 1 lakh. So it's all about risk management, and if you have proper risk management in the long run, you will definitely end up making profits. Okay guys, so now we'll quickly move on to the chart and we'll try to understand what exactly happened. Later we will look at the live trading video and we will also analyze there. So as you all know, morning we took the first entry around 9:45, and today our main trade was focused on Nifty and we took very less trades in Bank Nifty. So I will be using Nifty chart to explain, and Bank Nifty was also quite similar. What I'll be doing here is we have the same chart opened twice. Here I will be trying to give you a bigger perspective, and with this chart we will focus on the specifics, right? So as you all know, we usually enter at 9:45 and that's what we did today. We entered a short strangle in Nifty, that is at 15,700 calls, and we also entered 15,500 puts. So 550 puts. So we shorted both of these. So both of these are short. Both of these were trading around the range of 45 to 55 rupees. So we shorted both of this and we had kept a stop loss. So after that, what happened is, so we also did a short straddle in Bank Nifty around 10 o'clock, and then market started to come down. So as the market is coming down and when the stop loss is not triggered, what adjustment do? You do a shift. and that is what we did exactly. So around this point we did a shift. So if you guys are not aware of adjustments, then there is a video which we have made about adjustments, and the link to that is in the description. So please do check that out. Even if you have watched it once, you can watch it again if you are not really clear. So if the stop loss is not hit and the market starts moving against you, you do a shift, right? We did a shift here. So we shifted from 15,700 calls to 15,650 calls. So again the market started to come down. So when market came here, it triggered our stop loss both on Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So when something triggers the stop loss, which adjustment do? You take a counter trade, and that is what we did exactly. So we took the counter trade at 15,300. So you can see 15,300 puts comes somewhere over here, and it was trading around the range of 17 to 20 rupees. So as we shifted and it hit the stop loss, this CE was trading around the range of 40 to 45, and we took a counter position at 15,300 puts at somewhere close to 17 to 20 rupees. So now what happened, as the market went up and came down, so we didn't do any shift again. So the market came down, and at this point, as the market bounced, we went to a loss of somewhere close to 50k. So this was our loss. We went to a loss of somewhere close to 50,000. And after that, when the market started coming back, we started to recover this entire loss. So around 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, where we were already back to profits of around 1,000 to 2,000. And again the market went up and again it fell, and at this point we had gone to profits of somewhere close to 50k. So from negative 50k we came to positive 50k just by adjusting two positions. So we made a shift first, then we took the counter trade next. So this is a counter trade. So just by two adjustments we came from a loss of negative 50k to profit of positive 50k. So next what happened, I will just clear this entire thing. So from here Nifty started to bounce back. So as Nifty started to bounce back up, what I did, I started to take shift in the counter trade. So from 15,300 PE, I shifted to 15,350 PE. So then again I shifted to 15,400 PE, I shifted to 15,450 PE, I shifted to 15,500 PE. And after this point, I decided, okay, I have already done lot of shifts. So I shifted 1, 2, 3, 4 positions I have already shifted apart from the counter position in the first shift. So I thought, okay, at this point I am no longer comfortable holding the position because I have already done lot of shifts. And if I continue to do more shifts, then the position is going to get more complicated. So at this point I exited everything. So everything was exited around 2 o'clock and my positions were 0 and I booked a profit of 50k. So after that what happened was around 2.3 to 2.5 I re-entered the positions. So I exited everything, took a while, thought about what can be done next. Then I re-entered the position after 10 minutes and then the market consolidated throughout. So in this consolidation from 50k our profits went up to 1,16,000. So this is the whole day's trade. Meanwhile we had also taken 1 o'clock trade here, and yeah, so this was the entire day's trade today. So because of the adjustments, otherwise we would be in a net loss because the market hit the stop loss here, and when it had gone here it would be a huge loss, but we were still managed to end in profits at this point because of adjustments. And if you are not aware of the adjustments and if you are joining new to this channel, there's a video which we have made on adjustments. Do check that out because you will get much clearer idea of what exactly is happening. So there are only two adjustments, one is shift and one is counter, which you do on an intraday trade. So shift is when something doesn't hit the stop loss and you keep changing the position, and counter is when something hits the stop loss, you take the counter position on the higher side. So these are the only two adjustments which we have discussed about. So you can see the detailed video down in the description. So now we'll move on to the actual video and try to understand what happened to the trade. So you can see here, first we entered the trade 15,700 calls and 15,550 puts, and we also enter Bank Nifty in some time. So at this point we are already at a profit of 20,000 beginning of the day itself. But around 10:15 you can see the profits are slowly coming down because the market is crashing, and you can see some imbalance being created as well. So we further move ahead, and here you can see that I have made the shift from 15,700 calls. I shifted to 15,650 calls, which was trading around 56 rupees. And we have already entered negative 17,000, and I still have my Bank Nifty positions intact. And you can see this is at 66, and we have stop loss coming in at almost 77. So we further move ahead, and you see around this time the stop loss gets triggered on both the legs, and we are already at a loss of 50,000. So you can see that right over here. So we are at a loss of 50,000, and the stop loss has been triggered on both the legs, so we only have call legs left. So this is when I take counter trades on both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So this is when I enter the counter trades. So now we only have these positions, and I quickly end up taking the counter position. So as we move here, you can see that I have already taken the counter positions in 34,800 puts on Bank Nifty side and 15,300 puts on Nifty side, same 3,900 quantity and 700 quantity. This is trading around 16 rupees, this is around 48 rupees. So this is 3 times, and this is also trading around 118, and this is trading around 280, so which is almost 2.5 times. Please do watch the adjustment video because you will get an idea why there is an imbalance, because this was a question which was being asked a couple of times in the comment section. Why is there imbalance while adjusting the position? So you will understand why exactly there is imbalance. And you can see that the loss has already been recovered somewhere over here, and it's recovering, I mean to say. So from 50,000 we have already come back to a negative 26,000, and around 12 o'clock, so you can see that around 11:30 we have already entered profits of around 5,000, and at 12 o'clock when the market hits the bottom, so around this level, we move to almost profits of somewhere close to 40,000. So you can see here, as we approach 12 o'clock, we move to profits of somewhere close to 40,000 right over here. Within matter of some time, we were able to recover all the losses and go to a profit of somewhere close to 42,000, and we absolutely did nothing. And this is when the situation starts to get little tricky. Why? Because the market starts bouncing back up. As the market starts bouncing back up, I start doing quite a lot of adjustments, and around 2 o'clock I finally come out of all the trades. So we will directly move on to 2 o'clock. Right, so you can see at this point I have booked everything. So let me just go back a little where I actually end up booking. Right, so at this point I end up booking everything, and we end with a profit of 56,000, and it's around 2 o'clock now exactly. And you can see that I have done lot of shifts. We were at 300, I have come to 350, 400, even Bank Nifty I have done some shifts, 500 PE also I have come. So because of all this shifting, I am still in profits. Otherwise by this time I would have gone to a huge loss. Because of shifting, I am all in profits right now. And what I do is, since I get uncomfortable holding the position, I come out of everything. So you can see my net quantity is currently 0 in everything. I come out of everything. So I'll take couple of minutes break and I re-enter the fresh positions, because my mind will be now clear. I have already done lot of adjustments, and now since my mind is clear, I'll re-enter the fresh positions. So you can see here, I have re-entered 6,000 quantity in Nifty 550 PE and 600 CE. I have done a short strangle, a 6,000 quantity right over here. And apart from that, in Bank Nifty again I have done a short straddle in 35,400, 1,500 quantity. So I hope this is clear. So now I don't do anything apart from waiting. So you can see that my profit is still around 55,000. I don't do anything apart from waiting. So these are the two quantities which I am holding right now. And as we move towards 330, so you can see that even at 253 my profits haven't increased. It is just at 56,000 even at 253. So after 3 o'clock today we saw some great amount of decay happen. So we will further move ahead at 3.2, that is 15.2, we are at a 67,000 profit, right? And as I move ahead by 3.11, we are at a 79,000 profit, and by 3.15 we have come to a 84,000 profit, and by 3.18 we have come to 86,000. Then 3.19 we come to 91,000. 3.21 we come to 1,02,000, and 3.22 we cross 1,20,000 also. So I try to book, and due to slippages it comes and sits at 1,16,000. So that was the overall trade today. Hope you have liked this video. Please do subscribe to the channel and share this with your friends as well. Thank you so much. I'll be joining you soon in the next video.